Navigating PSU, finding classes on campus. What's the issue? Portland State University is a unique campus. It encompasses many multi-level buildings spread across the southern downtown area. While this gives the university a certain charm, it poses an interesting challenge for students and faculty. The campus is difficult to navigate. As a student, I believe the current navigation tools, maps, and wayfinding are not as helpful as they could be in mitigating this issue. I've noticed this at the start of each term when trying to locate a new classroom in a building I'm unfamiliar with. This term, I signed up for a yoga class in Lincoln Hall, room 355. Lincoln Hall is typically the performing arts building, which is why I found it surprising that a yoga class was being held there and not the ASRC. When you're fumbling with your phone while trying to run to class, there's no clear, easy resource to quickly locate where that is. You'll either need to dig through the pdx.edu website for a map of campus, or sign into your MyPSU to click onto your class schedule where a link to the campus map can be found. Here's kind of the navigation via the website that you'll end up using to locate the campus map. It's not very intuitive. It's kind of hard to find. And imagine you're trying to find your class on campus. It's just not likely that you're going to be fumbling through your phone using this and be very happy about it. This is also finding the map via your MyPSU. So what about the inside of the building? Finding a classroom once you know which building to go to often proves to be an even bigger challenge. The only online resource available to find a classroom once inside the building is a PDF of the building's floor plan, which takes quite a bit more digging to find. You'll have to click on the building and accessibility details on the campus map to be brought to the buildings page where you'll find these PDFs. So what's the wayfinding like once you're inside? Personally, I'm not a fan. This is the wayfinding printouts in Lincoln Hall on the 3rd floor. I think utilizing more color coding, better hierarchy, clearer icons, locating things like elevators and stairs, and multi-level maps would be more useful and aesthetically pleasing. This is an area that could really showcase PSU's personal branding, and currently I think it's not meeting its full potential. So what's the solution? The solution that I propose is the relocation and rebranding of each building's physical wayfinding. The new physical wayfinding will have digital tools connected to a new app, specifically created for finding your way around campus. Here's a visual example. So what will this solution help us achieve? Not only will this make it much easier to locate classrooms in each building using digital interactive maps, but it's also an opportunity for many students to showcase what they've learned through their major. It would be a way for graphic design students, computer science students, engineering students, and business students to create something with real use case in the real world. Ideally, this technology would include maps of the campus in each building. You should be able to access these tools both at interactive digital kiosks located within the building, as well as on your mobile device via an app. Using the app should allow users access to community information in real time, such as events where they'll be located. This technology would be useful for many years to come and can be updated by future students. Perhaps the next generation of students in these majors will integrate an augmented reality feature for the mobile app. This way you can use the display of your phone's camera to point you in the right direction. So where does this already exist? Many places already utilize digital wayfinding and online tools as a solution to navigate large multi-building or multi-floor areas. This includes airports, hospitals, shopping malls. Washington Square's website has a navigation tool to give you a route from store to store within the mall. Airlines like Delta allow app users to use a tool similar to Google Maps to find the gate to their connecting flight. It may seem advanced, but really tools like this can easily be utilized for college campuses. Since Portland State University is located in downtown Portland, I feel this would be perfect for us to take advantage of, since it would be a tool that's heavily used by students and faculty alike considering our layout. In conclusion, digital wayfinding can be used to solve the difficulties students and faculty face when trying to locate classrooms in a hurry. It can be mobile, easy to use, and an opportunity for students to connect and build something that will impress future employers. It can also be an opportunity for the university to showcase their branding and how talented their students are. Thank you.